I actually meant to get in above that bar, but I bought with a limit order by mistake. So I just exited. Now I'll try again. Okay, so it is a 8 bar bear micro channel, but the structure is impulse, pause, and then a third leg. So even though it's a micro channel, I think the structure is okay for at least to see what we get for the next few bars. If we get 3 or 4 consecutive bull bars, then it's worth staying in. If we race up to this high, I may take profits there. But if we build buying pressure with 3 or 4 consecutive bull bars, then I might stay in. So it's a little bit like this. Might be hard to see. So similar situation here. We had a breakout pause and then impulse, pause, 3 bars down, and then a bull signal bar. So here we went sideways, didn't get much buying pressure, and so we continued lower. But the difference here is that we went above this bar, we triggered the buy, so it ended up becoming a second entry. Today, we don't have that. Today we didn't trigger the buy, so probability is probably a bit lower. This is another example. It's a reverse chart, so the red bars are bull bars. So right here we had impulse, pause, and then big breakout, pause, and then 3 bars down and a bull signal bar. Again, here we triggered the buy, so that might play a role today, I'm not sure. But then once we got 3 consecutive bull bars, obviously they're red here, we ended up getting a good swing. So I'll see what we do here. I think the structure is kind of different today because we didn't trigger, but I thought it was still worth a chance to see what we get, at least for 2 bars. So if we do something like this and get a bear body on the follow through bar, then I'll probably exit at the market. If we get a bull bar like this, if it closes like this, I'll probably stay in. If it closes on its high, that's even better. So we'll see what we get. I'll just move my stop to below the bear bar. So in all those examples I showed, ideally, I wanted to see buying pressure build up over time with consecutive bull bars. We didn't get that here, so it gave me a chance to get out break even there. Just hit my order to the tick, so it's not filling me. All right, so I exited there. So still up 30 cents from my initial mistake, but I think I managed this pretty well. Like, as it rallied, I could have. I mean, it'll suck if it goes up now, but I know what I was looking for, and based on the structure, I know what needed to happen for me to stay in, and this big bear bar is not something I was looking for. So now, if we get a buy here, that's a different setup than something that I'm familiar with. So, like, obviously, it just becomes a second entry, but I was looking for something specific and I didn't get it, and so when I got an opportunity to exit, I took it. So I'm okay with that. And a lot of times, I've noticed this in myself. I'll see something not work out the way I want it to, and so, for example, in this scenario, what I just thought about was, as the market was rallying up to my target, when it was down here, I was thinking, okay, if I can get back up to break even, this doesn't look like I want it to, so I'm going to exit. And as it's rallying, I'm thinking, oh no, it's going up now, so let me stay in. But that means that when it's down here, if I'm thinking I want to exit break even, of course it has to rally to get me out break even. So I can't change my mind as it rallies, right? The assumption is that if I'm going to get out break even, it needs to rally to get me out. So then once it starts to rally, I can't completely change what my initial idea was. So as it rallied, I thought, let me use this as an opportunity to get out, and not, oh, it's rallying, let me stay in now for longer. So I think this is probably the first time I've actually done that properly, where I was aware of what I was thinking. I was aware of my instincts of, oh, it's rallying, let me stay in, and actually making the right call here